It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a more advanced piano player. Sometimes you need a simple, easy to play exercise to get your fingers moving. Now, this exercise that I want to show you in this video is just what you need. And after you've run through it in several keys, your fingers will feel warmed up and ready to go. So we're going to switch to the overhead camera and I'll show you how it works. So the first thing we're going to do with this exercise is to run through the 5 fingers in a row. You're going to start here on middle C with your thumb and play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very smoothly, not too fast, but it has a sense of going somewhere. You kind of lift your wrist a little bit at the end. The left hand does a mirror image. Now, once you have these 5 notes tucked under your fingers, we will add some broken finger pairs. In the right hand, it will go 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1. Make sure you do this with a firm beat. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And once again, the left hand is going to do a mirror image. So you're getting all your fingers involved, and you want it to be smooth and even. And now we put the 2 hands together. One way you can do this is you start out soft, and then it gets louder as you go. Now you don't want to stop only with the key of C. A simple pattern like this is made for multiple repetitions in several different keys. When the notes are easy like this, you are free to concentrate on how your hands move and the rise of your wrists and so on. So here's what it looks like if you did this in the key of D. Or the key of F. Now, what we're going to do is create an 8-bar little exercise piece using these patterns. The first 2 measures are just like what we've been playing. And then this is what bars 3 and 4 sound like. So bar 3 and bar 1 are exactly the same. So I'm going to play the first 4 measures of this exercise, and I'm going to play it very slowly, and I want you to follow along. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, you're halfway there. Now what happens in the next couple of bars is what the right hand was doing in bars 1 and 2, now the left hand is going to do an octave lower and vice versa. So basically the hands are going to switch parts. Okay, and then the last 2 bars, bar 7 is the same as bar 5. And then it ends like this. So here are the second 4 bars, bars 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, I'm going to play the whole 8 bars for you. And I want you to follow along with me. Hopefully you are sitting at your keyboard. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. and switch parts. And it ends. And you can put a chord in there, make it sound final. Your assignment for this particular video is to now transpose this into as many other keys as you desire. So there you go, a very simple warm-up exercise. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an advanced player. This is a great way just to get started in your practice sessions, or your playing sessions, I should say, to get those fingers moving, get them warmed up so that you're ready to begin playing all the songs that you want to learn and all the songs that you love. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have any suggestions as to topics that you would like me to cover here at Home with Music, please leave those in the comment section. One of the advantages of having this music curriculum on YouTube is that it's very much a two-way street. If there is a particular need that you have in your keyboard playing and in your knowledge of music, all things music, you can ask me about it and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you once again, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.